you're wondering where I'm filming, and the reason why I'm filming in my garage, the reason, but, it's raining men, hallelujah. I mean, look at this. Look how beautiful and green it is. There we go. So I guess we're good. So I guess we're good. I can't do this. So I guess we're just gonna have to wait to stop. Oh, the hail on the ground, oh, the hail on the ground. Oh my god, my camera is like all wet. Okay. Yeah! Ow, that hurt. So that means that this is the time of year. Because everyone just gets so excited for summer. Why? Like, yeah. I think it was actually yesterday. Wait, okay.